previous videos, for fundamental analysis, we have talked about the steps of doing a fundamental analysis, which includes a macro view of the economy, which is at the country level, and then we look at the industry, how well the industries are doing, and then we look into the individual company performance. Okay, so now in this section of the video, we'll introduce one tool, a very useful tool for you to analyze the individual company's performance. It's called the SWOT analysis. So this SWOT analysis, in fact, is represented by these 4 letters. So the first one is the strength. So you're looking at the strength of the company, and then the W stands for weakness. Okay, so you're looking at the weakness of the company, and then O stands for opportunities. Okay, what the companies is facing with what kind of opportunities, and then you look at the threats. Okay, so that means what kind of threats the companies are facing. So in fact, from these 4 factors, right, it's influencing the company in a holistic manner. So you can look at it as in the strength and the weaknesses will be affecting the internally of the company. Okay, so that means internally, what are the strengths and weaknesses of the company? Whereas the opportunities and the threats, right, is actually looking at the external factors that is affecting the company. That means what are the opportunities available for the company, and then what are the external threats that the companies are facing. So let's take a look at the details of each of the items.
SWOT analysis is a tool for auditing a company and its environment. When we conduct a SWOT analysis for a company, we are in fact comparing the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a company. The strengths of a company can be in the form of superior efficiency, quality, innovation, and customer responsiveness. Distinctive competencies, which arise from a company's resources and capabilities, are the unique strengths of a company. Valuable distinctive competencies enable a company to earn a profit rate that is above the industry average, and it's these profits that determine the market price of the company. The weaknesses of a company are simply the opposites of the strengths, which could be inefficiency, lack of quality and innovation, and unresponsiveness to the customer's needs. Opportunities arise when environmental trends create a potential for a company to achieve a competitive advantage. For example, the superior growth in China created the opportunities for many local companies to be able to achieve their earning targets. The extent of competitiveness in the environment will also give rise to future opportunities and threats. To analyze the environment of the competition, we need to look at the 5 forces. First, the risk of new entry by potential competitors. Second, the extent of rivalry amongst established firms. Third, the bargaining power of buyers. Fourth, the bargaining power of suppliers. Lastly, fifth, the threat of substitute products. Favorable conditions in these factors will greatly enhance the profitability of the industry. Companies usually fail when either their strategy no longer fits the environment in which they operate, or the competitive environment becomes too harsh in industry. For example, when there are more players in the industry, buyers become more powerful as companies depend on them for business. In such circumstances, buyers are a threat to the industry.